Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I was thinking about like putting up my hair like 1 week after, but I was like, no, I want to go like at least 1 more week. So I want to wear this hair for 2 weeks. If you guys haven't seen how I did this crochet braid hair, I know it's looking well crusty right now, but to see the beautiful reveals, you can check out my video in the iCards right here. I will be linking that. So guys, I thought to myself I wanted to do like a braid out, so I started braiding my hair, as you guys can see, and then yeah, it's a process. So what I use is this bottle hair with, depending on the quality of the sound, I might do a voiceover, but okay. What I have in this bottle here is water and conditioner. So I use this to spray the hair first because the hair was looking like this. I use it to spray the hair, and then I get this long white tooth comb. It has a lot of hair in it right now because I've been combing out the hair. So I use this to detangle with the water and conditioner. I know in my last video I said that water didn't really help to detangle the hair, but I added conditioner to it and that made a lot more difference. So what I'm doing, I'm going ahead and I'm doing a braid. I'm actually adding my hair into it as well, and also I use this brush hair to detangle the hair. Best thing ever, like it makes the hair so smooth. So I'm basically just going to show you guys how I do my braids, and this will be a braid out, so I will come back like probably a couple days after or the next day or so to show you guys the reveal. So this is how I'm going to do the braid out. This will be my first braid out ever, and it's on synthetic hair, so let's see how that goes. Almost forgot, I went in with the mousse to hold my hair while I braid it. So first I go in and I add that mixture of water and conditioner to my hair, and I drag that along the hair. Then I go in with the brush and smooth the hair out. Basically guys, you want to treat this hair like it's your own natural hair. Only difference is that it's fake hair, so you can comb the heck out of it and like hair will come out. You'll be a lot more gentle with your hair, so you do want to comb from end up to the root so that it's way easier to detangle. And using this long comb, we call them your teeth. This comb with these long teeth versus this short one. This short one here, I started out using this and it seems like it wasn't giving me the same results as this one, the long one. You can use this, but you have to take a lot more time. You have to take your time with that one because the comb actually feels like it's going to break. But with this one, it's like really firm and sturdy. Okay, so once I use that comb to further detangle, I go in with the mousse. I use the mousse to hold the hair, and I just rub that down onto the hair. I add my hair in and I start braiding the hair down. Guys, if you see anything on my face, I had on a face mask, okay? As I said, I did not really plan on doing this video, but I really thought that I want to catch this on camera to see if it does work. I want to have this on camera to show you guys. So that's a braid. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you guys on the short here how I got it like this long. Okay, so first you guys can see that I am struggling to take out a section of that hair. That's because it is knotted up. Honestly, throughout the week, because I am in quarantine, I didn't do anything to this hair. I just let it flow. I didn't even tie it up, so it got really matted. So I'm just taking out a small section, and right here, that's my leave out that I had. I'm also sectioning out a part of that to go with the synthetic hair. So I'm just parting that out. Okay, so I have those two sections. I'm going to leave my hair out of it for now because I want to go in and detangle the synthetic hair. So I go in with the water and conditioner once more, and I detangle that with the brush first. Honestly, this brush made the detangling process super easy because going in with the comb first, it was very hard to detangle, but the brush got rid of most of the knots, so that was fine. So now I'm going in with that long comb and I am detangling my hair. You want to start from the bottom and work your way up towards the root, because your comb will break if you just go right in from the middle or from the root. If you do need to add more moisture to the hair, you can always do so, because the wetter the better. So now I will go ahead and detangle my natural hair. I added some of the same water mixture with the conditioner, and then I'm just going in with the mousse and I'm applying that to my hair as well as the synthetic hair, and then I'll go ahead and braid that up. I just wanted to point out a mistake that I made. One that I made was adding in my hair with the synthetic hair. I thought that down the line you will see what happened, right? But I thought that me braiding the hair together, that the curls would fall together, but that did not happen. So you will see what really happened. So this is what the hair is looking like. I'm just counting how many braids I have. So that's about 5, 6, about 9 or 10 braids. So I'm going in with these flexi rods. I'm just adding that to the end of the hair. So I'm just wrapping that around it, and then I'll just curl it up like in a little ball or so that it can stay secure. And I will be dipping the ends into hot water so that the ends can curl. You want to add flexi rods or any rods at all to the end of this hair, because once you take down that braid, you want your ends to be curly as well. You don't want it to look straight. So that's what the hair is looking like right there. I don't know what I'm singing. So that's the amount of hair that I combed out in total. So it's a couple days later, honestly about 2 days later, and I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner, the wild growth hair oil. I'm going in with the Contour moisture, the daily oil moisturizer, and I am just moisturizing my hair. So I'm going in with the leave-in conditioner first, then I go in with my moisturizer, and then I seal that in with the oil on top. Make sure you get your scalp and rub that in, massage that in. So now I'm just taking down those rods, going in the opposite direction that I rolled them in. Guys, I was so nervous when I was doing this, because as I said, it's my first time ever, so I didn't know what it would look like. Probably I didn't even know what a braid out should look like. If I'm being honest, but you know. Right, so here I'm just saying a little prayer so that it goes through, you know. Okay, so I'm going in with this castor oil and I'm moisturizing my hands so as to reduce frizz while I take down these braids. At the end, I did twist the end so it was easy to take the ends out, and then I proceeded to pulling out each braid. It took a little while because I wanted to be as well, I was as gentle as possible with this take down process. But guys, look at that curl right there. Do you see that? I see definition right there. So that's the first braid out. I was so excited. I was like, wow, like it actually looked natural, like a very natural braid out. So I'm just going on and I'm taking out my last braid. So here was where I was like, this is not bad at all. Like the braid, there is pattern there. So this was where I started like doubting this style because the front of my hair was not mixing in with the braid from the back. Well, the braid out at the back. And another mistake that I made was I should have like made my parting. I wanted a side part. I should have braided my hair in that direction so that I didn't have to go in and part it out, because this made the hair started to frizz, and my hair being so fine, honestly the braiding pattern that was there just went away in a matter of minutes. So here I'm just basically just separating the braid, and this kind of added some more volume. And also I will go in towards the root and like kind of puff that up some more so I can have volume, because I didn't really like the way that the hair was laying flat. So here you can see me going in with a comb, adding volume to my roots. So that's what the hair is looking like close up. Well, guys, what is your opinion, honestly? Do you think that this was like a success, or I'm not sure? I want to hear what you guys have to say. But to me, I really like the way that it came out, especially when I worked on that leave out that I had. So I'm just going in with some edge control and so on, doing my edges, and right here is where I'm going to start fixing that ear right there, because that does not look cute. Okay. So I'm just fixing up my edges first, and then with my leave out that I have, I will do braids on them. So I'm just taking it out. I'll be adding my Eco Styler gel to that hair, and then I will just braid it, and I'll leave it in for about 2 hours or so, and then I will take it down. So this was what I should have done in the first place. Like I should have sectioned my hair, parted out the way that I want it to fall, and I should do the braid on my natural hair instead of mixing it with the synthetic hair, so that it could blend better. So that would have saved me so much time. But as I said, it's my first time, so you know, we gotta learn together. Okay, so I'm just laying down my edges, and then I will be back. So now I'm back, guys. My hair is dry in the front, and I am just taking down the braid. Like, can you guys see that definition now? This is what I should have been doing a long time ago. Okay, so you might see a little bit of white from the gel. Thumbs up, because I actually saw some progress. Like I was fretting. Woo. So next time I definitely would just do all the leave outs, and then you know it will blend better. So honestly, I'm just like splitting the hair out, and then I'll just play with the hair and see how it can lay to where I like it. So finally, I'm adding in my oil sheen to the hair to add some sheen and moisture. So that's what the hair is looking like, the final results. And you guys can see that my natural hair, it actually looks like it's blended with the synthetic hair that has that braid up. So guys, please let me know your thoughts down below. This is the end of this video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.